The Minister and MLA of South Shillong today inaugurated a 185-meter-long bypass road constructed behind the NEFA Secretariat in the cantonment area at a cost of Rs 3.36 crore. Addressing the gathering, Sanbor Shilai said the project was undertaken with the foresight of the MDA government under the leadership of Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, highlighting the administration's focus on strengthening urban infrastructure. Executive Engineer of the PWD Central Division, S. Litep, in his keynote address, lauded all those involved for ensuring the timely completion of the project. The event was attended by several dignitaries, including the DRC from the government of Arunachal Pradesh, Rani Jibang, the superintending engineer of PWD, senior police officials, local leaders, and others.
Without your presence.
Today, in this inauguration, the inauguration of the construction, including MBT of Ling Road. It means this Ling Road. Behind NEFA Secretariat. This land belongs to the government of Arunachal Pradesh. Within cantonment area, Shillong sanctioned for an amount of Rs 3 crore 36 lakh 18,000 under the state special plan assistance. This scheme was jointly initiated, like Executive Engineer has said, that it is the ground force, the ideas, the suggestion which we have discussed all together, right from the top official of the PWD and the top official of the government, and including me as the local MLA, where we have come up with one constructive idea that will approach the government of Arunachal through Madam Rani Jibang, who is the DRC of this Arunachal Secretariat, government of Arunachal. So finally, this is the initiative taken by the MDA government under the Chief Ministership of Sri Conrad K. Sangmaji, including the initiative of our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri Preston Tinsongji, who is also in charge of PWD Road and Building, which was jointly initiated. Discussion from time to time. We have a conversation from time to time. As a local MLA, we have a joint initiative, and today the dreams has come true. And at Upper Shillong, Tamabil border, and other major towns along the stretch, and improve the road geometrically, significantly, thereby facilitating faster, safer, and better traffic movement. So this is the few report we are giving to you through all our brothers and sisters assembled here today.